When temperatures rise, the last thing you want is a problem with an air conditioner that won't turn on or isn't keeping your home as cool as you'd like. An inefficient air conditioning system could also lead to higher energy and maintenance costs over time. Before you call an expert, there are a number of things that you can do to try and determine what the issue may be. It may seem obvious, but make sure that your thermostat is turned to cool. This is something that can easily get forgotten after the winter season. Also, if your thermostat uses batteries, check to see if they need to be replaced. If the unit isn't turning on at all, go to your main electrical panel and check to see if the breaker has tripped. If it has, reset the breaker. If it immediately trips again once the AC unit is turned on, you should call a licensed HVAC professional, as there is likely an underlying problem with the equipment. Take a look to see that the outdoor portion of the system is in good repair and that there isn't any grass, weeds, or other debris that may be clogging the AC condenser. Over time, this could cause inefficient cooling and higher energy bills. And make sure that there is adequate space between the AC equipment and any buildings, foliage, or fences to allow for proper airflow. Your air conditioner relies on the furnace to run even in the summer months. Listen to your furnace to see if there are any unusual noises that could indicate an issue with the blower motor or other internal parts. Also, be sure to keep the air filters clean and replace them if necessary. Check to see that all vents are open and that nothing is blocking them. If water is leaking from your air conditioning unit, turn it off immediately. This could be the result of a clogged drain line or an issue with your air conditioner. If this occurs, it's time to call in a licensed specialist. It may sound simple, but keeping windows and doors shut while your AC is running can actually be an effective way to stay more comfortable indoors and to make sure that your equipment isn't working overtime to cool the warm air that is coming inside. This will also help to keep your overall energy costs lower. If you notice that your equipment isn't cooling your home the way that it used to, or not at all, it could be a variety of more serious issues, like a problem with your refrigerant level or your evaporator coil. These problems require opening your system and professional repair that should only be done by a licensed HVAC technician. If you need assistance with any of your air conditioning maintenance or repair needs, call on Reliance.